This narcissist is losing power. They literally are being forced by spirit to let go of the situation, stop meddling, to leave you alone, and to leave others alone. It's done. They need to release this control and remove themselves from you and others who have been a victim of their abuse. But in true narcissistic style, this individual or these individuals will still want to try and make a comeback. They will try and come back around to, for some of you, appear as a kind, genuine soul that's just here to help, that's just here to offer whatever it is that they have offered in the past to keep you trapped, stuck, and binded, to keep you controlled. For some of you, this person has it out for you because you can see them and they don't scare you. You look right through them. You have grey rock them. For some of you, you let them know through your eyes that you know what they're up to. And they may have tried to outcast you, act as if you're difficult. You know, for some of you, you don't let this person know that you know that's the best thing to do when you're dealing with a narcissist. Do not let them know that you know that they are one. They don't even know themselves, but yeah. You have just removed yourself from this person and it's bringing up a lot of fears. You see, this person played on your emotions. They thought that because you are empathetic and sympathetic and loving with an open heart, they could manipulate you. And they may have been getting away with it in the past. They tried to match your energy, you see. But spirit put a stop to it. Maybe you received some type of information. Maybe you went to see a counselor. Maybe for some of you, you had some type of dream or some type of spirit guide connected with you to say, listen, you need to keep away from this person, you know. And whatever illusion this person had you under, you have awoken from it. It's like you were in a fog. Because again, this person was manipulating you and manipulating others and manipulating the environment. And now you're seeing the truth. Now you're seeing that this person, I'm hearing Brandy's song. Now you see that the angel was a fake. But in that song, she's talking about a love interest that went off with someone else. And in some cases, it could like connect to this actual story. Maybe you were connected with someone that was connected to someone else, or that you were trying to warn them about, like that person is dangerous, that person's trying to be a third party, that person's trying to break us up, or that person's trying to come in between our friendship. And they were like, no, maybe they knew the person longer, maybe they had history, whatever the case is. But now for some of you, people are starting to see that whoever you were trying to warn them about isn't actual fake, was an angel in disguise, appearing innocent and weak in some cases, like me, I would never do that. And they were the master manipulator in the whole room. And now people are seeing that this person is dangerous and they're losing power, they're losing control, they have nowhere to go, their whole reputation is finished, karma has stepped in, and they're going to be left out by themselves to sit in their decisions, and whatever they're going to try and invest in is going to be no more. People are going to turn their back on them. They're going to feel like they're unfortunately undeserving. They try to make you feel that way. They're going to feel a lack of love in their life. If they try to come between a relationship, that person's going to disown them, remove themselves from them, and they're going to be in this energy. It's a literal wrap for this individual. Your ancestors are involved. It's out of your hands. They've been exposed.